The LALAHOME Reel Scooper is an automatic self-refilling litter box that claims to be able to keep itself clean for up to 15 days without any manual intervention. It has a number of features that make it stand out from other self-cleaning litter boxes, including automatic refilling. The Reel Scooper has a top-mounted reserve chamber that can hold up to 10 liters of litter. When the litter level in the toilet chamber drops below a certain level, the Reel Scooper will automatically refill it with fresh litter from the reserve chamber. UV sterilization. The Reel Scooper has a built-in UV sterilizer that helps to kill bacteria and viruses in the litter. This helps to keep the litter box clean and sanitary. Odor control. The Reel Scooper also has an odor control system that helps to neutralize unpleasant smells. App control. The Reel Scooper can be controlled remotely using a smartphone app. This allows you to check on the status of the litter box, view usage history, and receive alerts when it needs to be refilled or cleaned. The Reel Scooper is a relatively new product, so there are not many reviews available yet. However, the reviews that are available are positive overall. Users have praised the Reel Scooper for its convenience and effectiveness. Here are some of the pros and cons of the LALAHOME Reel Scooper. Pros: automatic refilling, UV sterilization, odor control, app control, easy to use, quiet operation. Cons: expensive, large size, may not be suitable for all cats. Overall, the LALAHOME Reel Scooper is a highly rated automatic self-refilling litter box that offers a number of features that make it stand out from other products on the market. If you are looking for a litter box that cleaning, the Reel Scooper is a good option to consider. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.